What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. So the big question is, you want to make money with your e-bike? Well, you came to the right place, because today I'm gonna share with you 5 ways that you can make money with your e-bike, and hopefully you make the money back that you put in when you bought that thing. I'm gonna rank them from the ways that pays the least to the number one that pays you the most. So without waiting, let's get to it. Now, at number 5, we have bicycle letter courier, but you can also do it with your e-bike. Now, the pay is not that much. I tried that in my city, Toronto, Ontario, Canada, and they actually paid me like 20 cents per delivery, which is kind of really, some sweatshop slavery stuff. It's not that effective. At the end of the day, you're probably gonna be making 20 bucks. So I do not recommend it, but if you want to do it, you can go ahead. Now, number 4, we have newspaper delivery. So in my city, it's not that bad. They actually pay you 15 bucks an hour, but they give you like a target. You have to deliver to about, in your area, about like 100 houses, by the end of your shift, 100 plus houses. So it may get a little tiresome, but at the end of the day, if you get paid 14-15 bucks an hour, it's not that bad. It's like a regular job, but if you don't like working retail and stuff, you can do it with your e-bike. The only problem is, if your e-bike is kinda old, the battery is gonna run out faster, and you might get stuck. But give that a try. Now we're moving on to number 3. This one is a little bit risky, but you can rent it out. You can rent it to I would recommend you can rent it out to like a family member or something, or friends. Don't rent it out to strangers. I mean, if you rent it out to someone for like 50 bucks for the whole day, they might just take it and never give it back. So it's kind of risky, but at the end of the day, you have that thing sitting around in your garage. Rent it out to your cousin or something, charge him less, like 20 bucks for the day, and they can just ride around, and that's like kind of like free money to you. Now, number 2, we have the app called Postmates. You can use it to deliver stuff like food, drinks, or other items for people who live in major cities. Now, I haven't seen it available in Toronto, Canada, but in the US, you guys definitely have it. It's worth a check. It's similar to Uber Eats. Now, moving on to number 1 is Uber Eats. Uber Eats is the best way to make money in this list because it pays the most. You can choose your own time, and you get like really good tips for Uber Eats. And this is the way I've been making money using my e-bike, and I made that money back, how much I spent, and almost double that. I bought my e-bike for $1,000, and I did Uber Eats for like several months, like 2 to 3 months. I did it occasionally, but even then, when I added up the money, I made back $1,900. So the bike actually paid for itself and more. So if you wanna do Uber Eats, I highly recommend it. The thing about Uber Eats is you can do it with a car or a bicycle or an e-bike. And in my city, in Toronto, the e-bike is actually considered a motorized bicycle, so you need no insurance for it in here. So you can actually get a Uber Eats bicycle account and do the food delivery with your e-bike. By the time you finish like 6 or 7 deliveries, you already have about $60 to $70 in your pocket. Keep in mind, you need to do it around like rush hour, which in my city, it's the first rush hour is 11 to 2, and the other one is around 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. at night. and around this time, whatever money you make, they actually almost double it. So for example, if you make $5, they can actually they give you like $10. Of course, it depends on the season. In the winter time, they pay you the most. They what they do is they pay you 2 times the amount you're earning. You make you do a $5 delivery, you make $10. Sometimes it's 1.5 times, so they pay you 50% more. So I highly recommend doing Uber Eats, and in the future I'll post videos about how to do Uber Eats, how to get started. It's really simple. Now that wraps up the list for 5 ways you can make money with your e-bike. Check out my next video that I'm gonna upload in a few days. It's gonna be about it's actually gonna be about the e-bike charger that I've purchased from Amazon, and I'm gonna compare it to the one I purchased from the dealer, which broke. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and if you like the video, give me a like or leave a comment down below. If you want me to improve anything, give me a comment. I appreciate your feedback, and have a nice day.
It's the bandit, a money magnet, I'm doing damage, I'm never landing, got ghostly habits, I'm always absent, I just have to vanish. I dropped 3 on my lenses, I don't want friendship, I want the money and I want